Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Wurundjeri and Bunurong people, and pay our respects to Indigenous people, past, present and emerging.
We also would like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here with us today.
Well, good afternoon everyone and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School Online Assembly. Well, as you know, very, very short notice we've moved back into remote and flexible learning. And I would just like to say to everybody how proud we are of you in the resilience that you have shown moving back to learning from home. I also want you to know that everybody is here to help you along the way. We're all here to support you. And your home group teachers and specialists and integration aides will be meeting with you either in a classroom meeting each day, or they'll be making a phone call home, because we would just want to conduct those check-ins to make sure everybody's going well during this time. Well, yesterday, the evening, we had our Year 3 students return from the Briars camp. Unfortunately, we had to cut the camp short by a day, but I know our students had 2 absolutely fantastic days at camp. It was great to hear the stories about living in the cabins with their friends, enjoying some really, really yum food at camp, and all the activities such as the crate stacking and the flying fox and that giant swing. So, yeah, absolutely fantastic that at least we got a couple of days in and our children were able to experience, well, fun at the Year 3 camp. Today at school we're celebrating Genes for Genes Day, and I hope you're doing the same at home. And look, I think we may even be able to celebrate Genes for Genes Day once again when we all return to face-to-face learning. And I did hear a whisper around the place about having a PJ Day. That's the day where you come to school in your PJs. I know we get a lot of support from staff, but yeah, we'll have a talk about that and see what we can come up with. All right, everybody, well, take care, keep busy, keep active, keep in contact with everybody, do your very, very best with your learning, and know that there is always someone to support you along the way, whether it be at home or at school. I look forward to hopefully seeing everybody back very, very soon.
Today, Friday 6th of August, is Australian Primary Principals Day.
We would like to acknowledge the dedication and contribution that our principals make to our school community.
2020 and 2021 have been full of challenges.
We at Cranbourne East are incredibly lucky to have strong leaders
who put in time, who make decisions,
and look after our staff,
students,
parents and carers,
and model our Cranbourne East Primary School values
to ensure that our community can flourish.
So for all of your work,
we would like to say a huge
thank you.
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 Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Callie. Thank you, Mr. Rowe. Thank you.
all that you do.
And for making Cranbourne East Primary School
The best school ever!
Hi everyone, we are some of the 2021 Captain's Accepts. We're here to address the substantial amount of rubbish in the schoolyard.
As of this term, we are focusing on reducing the amount of rubbish we take outside.
We would like everyone to start bringing back new food as we are reintroducing rubbish-free points.
Together as a school, we can reduce litter, which will help reduce the impact on our environment.
Thank you for your time.
We look forward to seeing you guys out in the yard.
Congratulations to the following students who will be representing our school at the district athletics. The 12 and 13-year-olds, the 11-year-olds, and the 9 and 10-year-olds. We wish these people the best of luck as they represent our school.
Hi, Wahid at Cranbourne East Primary School to present Australia with yellow t-shirts and watch Olympics. In maths, we are learning about chance and watch and speak. We like to people racing like Jessica Fox. This is Mrs. Blake's paddle, and we are happy that girls are allowed to do some paddling.
I'm dressed in green and gold to support Australia, yay! I really like watching the Olympics, specifically swimming, because I know Australia is really good at swimming. So yeah, we're basically just dressed up as green and gold so we can cheer on the Australians as they try to win some golds.
The Aussies!